Sometimes I get the question of what are benefits of coaching, and today I found this infographic which I didn't create but wanted to share because it's so powerful and highlights a bunch of points on why coaching for leaders can be such a wonderful and effective tool. Be a leader in your own life, right? As a person and as a professional, building clarity and courage and commitment in work and life. Consistently taking action in alignment with vision and values, which is actually key, right, to develop this sense of high performance. This guy says, I believe has helped me fulfill my life's purpose. Coaching works because there's nothing like knowing someone is holding you accountable to kickstart your motivation. Some of you might resonate with that. Figuring out priorities, that is key. Creating a life that's aligned with the authentic self and core values, clarity and power you have it in to achieve your goals. And a big point here is about the doubt, right? Even when I talk to people and clients who feel the sense of self-doubt, then you have someone who actually believes in you. I believe in my clients and hold them accountable. I always know that they can rise to the occasion with the right guidance and support, which can be transformational. These are some of the benefits of coaching. And if you're interested in learning more about what coaching can do for you, then send me a direct message and we can jump on a call to figure out what that would look like for you and what's possible in your situation to benefit from coaching and change the way you lead.